Hello everyone, welcome to our video where we'll be discussing the top 7 products that can help you achieve silky, smooth locks. Frizzy hair can be frustrating to deal with, but with the right products and a little bit of know-how, you can transform your hair from unmanageable to beautiful. Product 1, the first product on our list is Moroccanoil treatment. This hair oil is perfect for those who have dry, damaged hair. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help to nourish and hydrate the hair. We recommend applying a small amount to your hair before blow-drying for best results. Product 2, next up, we have the Living Proof No Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. This product is perfect for those who want to control frizz without weighing down their hair. Its lightweight formula is designed to detangle hair and provide lasting frizz control. We recommend applying it to damp hair before styling. Product 3, the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer is the third product on our list. This product is perfect for those who want to protect their hair from heat damage. Its lightweight formula helps to detangle hair, reduce frizz, and protect against heat damage. We recommend applying it to damp hair before styling. Product 4, the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother is perfect for those with color-treated hair. This leave-in treatment helps to hydrate and protect hair, while also reducing frizz and flyaways. We recommend applying a small amount to damp hair before styling. Product 5, the Redken Frizz Dismiss Rebel Tame Leave-In Cream is perfect for those with curly or wavy hair. Its anti-frizz formula helps to control frizz and define curls, leaving hair looking smooth and defined. We recommend applying it to damp hair before styling. Product 6, the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner is perfect for those on a budget. Its formula is designed to control frizz and provide long-lasting shine. We recommend applying it to damp hair before styling. Product 7, last but not least, we have the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This product is perfect for those with thick, curly hair. Its natural ingredients help to define curls and reduce frizz, leaving hair looking smooth and shiny. We recommend applying it to damp hair and air drying for best results. So there you have it, our top 7 products for achieving silky, smooth locks. No matter what your hair type or budget is, there's a product on this list that can help you achieve beautiful, healthy hair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.